Sir! Hi ka mo.
Hi!
Sir, hi ka mo. Sayang video!
I'm ready.
Yes, Peter, you ready?
Jump. Hi.
Jeno, go jump. Jordan, jump.
Masakit yun.
Jump.
Jump. Mauni lang. Peter, tulak kita.
Ayun na. Shimmer.
Woo!
Oh!
Oh shit!
What's that?
Buti natakpan ko yung cellphone ko eh.
Charva, ha? Yan na si 120 meters per second. Woo! Ayun na.
It's very lucky of me. My phone.
Hello.
Peter, you suck. You almost destroyed my phone.
Let me explain this.
Now what, Jordan?
Okay, let's get low. Let's get low.
Ay, kaka-developan.
Chupa chup.
Chupa chups.
Chupa chup.
Ay, Gab. Gab,
Yeah,
musta ka na eh?
I'm fine, thank you.
Gaggle boy.
Ano sila nakagagol?
Ang magkapatid.
The goggles.
Kambal tuko.
Yeah, right, Gab. It's bullshit, Peter.
Peter, stop that.
Magkahit kami, oh.
Okay, in your dreams. Tangay.
Come on. Video them.
Ate Biskendo ay. He's lost.
There.
No, makanta na si Papa Jordan. No? Shucks pare, Calder Chuchi. Buta dapat may gitara dito.
Hindi mo sinabi.
Di puta si Peter. Ano kung sino na.
Bilis niya sumisid ay. Sumisid ka nga, pinakamabilis mo.
Dali.
Pinakamabilis ha. Bibilangin namin.
Punta mo sa dyan,
Oh, sa'yo pa naman si Jano.
Dapat mapok mo yan within 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wait.
Tinataas yung short niya po. 1, 2, 3, go.
1,001. Eh shit, my fucking phone, Peter.
4, 7, 9, 3,
Okay.
4,
Nice counting.
6, 3 seconds.
What numbers you have?
3 seconds, ang bilis ha. Ulitin mo ulit, Peter, papunta rito.
That was great. Jordan.
Sorry?
Your counting was great.
I'm sorry?
9, 3, 4, 5. What's that?
There's a connection between there.
Yes,
You have to read between the lines.
between the lines, pare.
Between the lines.
Yes, it's an inferential reading.
So, nasa DW tayo?
Now what?
No, we're not in UW. We are in Leisure Coast.
Oh my God! Tama na tayo! Oh my gosh naman, Gab! Pity yourself!
Shut up. Oh, look at them.
Hey!
Gusto putak. Buting-ting.
Now what? Now what?
Nga, shit mo daw. Ballerina.
The boy.
Yung mga kapitan na parang shark kayo.
4 eyes.
Nakaganito.
4 eyes.
Here comes the man.
The shark.
With big dick.
Hey, sir! Come on, what's wrong? Oh, shit.
Damn, girl.
Bakit ay?
Where is he going?
Don't know.
So iwan nyo na kami dito.
Ang teta.